been pretty busy the past few months. We've been trying to find a new job, a new apartment, getting new visas, and pretty much figuring out the next steps of what our life here is going to look like.
Now that everything's official, we are finally packing up our apartment and getting ready for the big move to the new city.
We are James and Kelly with 2 tickets around the world. We have been living in Suzhou, China the past 2.5 years, and now we are taking on this new adventure in Shanghai. All of our bags are packed, and it is time for us to show you our new apartment. So our apartment basically became a storage unit the past year, almost 2 years now, because of and all of our friends that couldn't get back to China. And we've just accumulated so much stuff. So I'm excited to kind of pack up and get rid of a lot of this stuff. But now it's kind of handy because we need these suitcases to move to our new apartment. We don't have to get boxes.
Good job. One down. Alright, let's start. There you go.
Hey, let's start with your drawers.
No, I'm starting with my shirt.
So we are now packing up our kitchen, which is the last room of our apartment before we move tomorrow morning.
Kelly has to use the step stool because it's so short.
Finished packing for the night, and we have almost every room completely done. We just have a few stuff left in our kitchen, our shower stuff, and then we are moving bright and early tomorrow. Got it all ready to go. Just in the middle of our living room. Now it's time for us to go to bed. Lights off, and we'll see you in the morning.
That's pretty tight.
Girl. No, go in. Go in. Stella Bells. Nope, nope. Stella. Go. Our cats were picked up early this morning, and they are on their way to a cat hotel for the day while we move. We have 1 hour until our moving truck gets here to move all of our stuff, and we have a few things left to do in the apartment. It's coming down to the final things in our apartment, and we don't know if everything is going to fit. They've kind of taken everything to start loading it in the truck, but we still have things left.
Box almost all of our kitchen stuff.
Comforter and all of our kitchen stuff. Let's see if it'll fit. The movers in China are so impressive. Every time that we moved in China, they only send 1 or 2 guys, and it's crazy because they're not like super buff or anything. They're my height.
They're normally smaller than me, and they just go as fast as possible to get your stuff moved out into the truck and on their way.
Yeah, it took them 1 hour to move like all of our belongings that we had packed up, and they don't even have a ramp to get the stuff into the trucks. They just like pick it up and put it in themselves. And everything is out of our apartment. It's still a complete disaster, but we'll be back on Friday to clean it up, and then we're off to Shanghai.
Let's go. We got in our DD, we're headed to the train station. We're gonna meet the moving truck at our new apartment and start moving everything into our new apartment, up 2 flights of stairs.
That has so much stuff in the hallways.
It's gonna be a mess getting through those stairs. We're off the train and in Shanghai. Time to go to the apartment. Let's go. Let's do it. This bicycle hasn't been used in many years. Many a fortnights.
Welcome to our apartment. Come on in. Watch your step. So as you come up the stairs, the first place you enter into is our mini kitchen. We have a nice sink as well as a stove with 3 burners and plenty of storage. As you come out, you walk into our living room and dining room. In our dining room, we have our microwave, stove, as well as our refrigerator. All 3 are built into the wall, gives us extra storage space around both sides. Then we have our dining room table, more like a coffee bar, but we do have this nice table that we can pull out and at any time move it wherever we'd like. We really like the windows in here because it gives us a lot of natural light. But now we go into our living room and we have our couch. This couch is not as comfortable as our one in the previous apartment, but it'll do. We'll make it comfy. But as you go into the living room, out of the living room, you come into our hallway. In our hallway, we have plenty of storage. And it's very nice. They're nice and deep. And this one has hanging all the way at the top. This will be James' cabinet because I am way too short for that. So all of this will be cabinet space. And if you walk through the hallway, you'll go into our bathroom. In our bathroom, we have a toilet, a wall heating, as well as a washer with a dryer function. This is new to us. We've always had a dryer, so this is going to be a big learning curve for us, not to wait to do laundry until last minute. And then our shower. And this is the bathroom. And if we head back out, we're going to head to the bedroom. So let's go. In our bedroom, we have our dresser, as well as our nice king bed, a beautiful window, and our reading nook, which is going to end up being the cat's corner, and they'll probably never let us sit here, because it'll be theirs. And this is our apartment in Shanghai. We have finished moving to our apartment here in Shanghai. The movers are incredible. They literally would take the biggest suitcases we have, 2 of them, almost 3 one time, and they would just like wrap it around their arms and then just go up the stairs like nonstop. So impressive. But now that we are all done moving our stuff, it's time for us to go and get a late lunch and start unpacking before our cats arrive back from their mini vacation.